These horror story channels are making huge amounts of money. Take a look yourself. According to Social Blade, these faceless YouTube channels earn around $1,000 per month from uploading these horror stories, so all they do is create a simple voiceover and use it with a single picture to create these videos. These videos are super easy to create, and we will do all this with the help of AI. You heard it correctly. AI will create the entire videos for us, and then translate them all in a matter of a few clicks. Horror and suspense. Stories are one of the biggest niches in the world, and you can be the one to provide it for them, while also making hundreds of dollars every month. And I will show you the way where you don't even need to use your voice. Here is a quick look at the video we are going to create with AI.
Awakening the spirit of a headmaster whose stern voice echoes through the empty corridors. His presence is accompanied by the sound of phantom footsteps and the faint sound of chalk writing on a blackboard, crafting rules for those who dare to trespass in his eternal domain. Finally, we enter a foggy graveyard where the mist is thick and the moonlight struggles to pierce through. Here, the statues are not just stone, they watch and whisper, guard.
So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I want to look for a name that kind of resonates with the larger audience. We are not going to steal the name, but we're going to get inspired by this name. So, I like this title. But we are going to create our video. We're just going to call it the Top 4 Horror Stories. I will keep it short for a demo tutorial. So now we've done our research, and we're ready to start creating the video. To create our video, I will be using a tool called Invideo AI first. You need to sign up. The link is in the description. So once you hit the link in the description, you will land on this page. I have already signed in. Now at the bottom of the screen where it says Workflows, I'm going to select YouTube Explainer. So we need to select the duration of our video. This channel creates videos between 6 to 30 minutes, so there is no specific video length for this niche. But for this video tutorial, I'm going to create a 2-minute video. If you are taking it seriously and you want to go into this niche, I would suggest you create at least 10 to 15-minute long videos. So now we need to type in our prompt. I have already pasted the prompt here, which you will get in the description. Here's what I wrote. Create a horror story video called Top 4 Terrifying Horror Stories. The overall vibe of the video should be dark and terrifying, as this is a horror stories channel. Next, we need to type the tone of the video should be relevant to a horror stories channel. The background music is going to be dark, from the available settings. I selected an Indian male voice and the language is English. We can also change these settings later on if we don't like them. Here select iStock, because Invideo is connected to the media provider called iStock. So it will automatically select all the footage for us. We don't have to do any work. Now simply click, generate a video, and give it 2 to 3 minutes. But before Invideo AI starts generating our video, it's going to ask you a couple of additional questions. So it's asking what's our audience. We're going to choose horror fans. And for the look and feel, I will go with dark gothic. If you don't like the results, or you want to change some settings later, you can do that too. So at this point, I just clicked continue, and it's going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Our video is ready. Now let's have a look at what we got.
First tale begins in an abandoned hospital on the outskirts of a forgotten town. They say the halls are haunted by the ghost of a nurse who never left her post, and the chilling sound of her whisper, calling out to the lost souls she still
So the video is good, but I want to change the voice and ask it to add more scenes. I want to keep it male, but the tone should be deeper and more like scarier. And I think we should have subtitles also, because it would make the video more engaging. So let me just write it down and hit generate. It made all the adjustments. Now let's have a look.
Shadows where chilling tales lurk waiting to crawl into your nightmares, haunted by the ghost of a nurse who never left her post. Witnesses report hearing the squeak of her shoes and the chilling sound of her whisper, calling out to the lost souls she still tends.
I think it's perfect. Just like that, with the help of AI, we have a video that could compete with this channel. So once you are satisfied, just export your video. In order to grow your channel, your video should look professional and high quality. On the free account, Invideo allows you to play around with their tool and get accustomed to it. But if you want to take it seriously, within Invideo AI, the cheapest plan starts as low as $20 a month. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.